All right, so we have our 4 pie fillings here in our loaf tins. We have the apple that I'm spreading out right here. We have the blueberry that kind of just spread itself. We have lemon pie filling, which is my favorite, and we're just making sure that's a nice, beautiful layer in our loaf tins. And then lastly, we have a delicious strawberry pie filling, but you could also do cherry if that's what you like. All right, and I have here my snickerdoodle cookie mix, and this one does come with like a little extra cinnamon packet, but we're gonna do snickerdoodle on top of this strawberry pie filling and on top of this apple pie filling. So we're gonna evenly distribute our snickerdoodle cookie mix right on top of these 2 loaf tins for this super easy and customizable dessert. We always have a lot of people coming over to our house and they all have a favorite different kind of pie. So this is how I compromise. Before we add that cinnamon sugar mixture on there, we're just gonna make sure our cookie mix is nice and flattened out. Now, if you don't wanna use snickerdoodle cookie mix, you could also just do a cake mix, because this is kind of a take on a dump cake, and you can use whatever cake mix you want. But that looks good. We are gonna sprinkle our cinnamon sugar mixture so that it is a true snickerdoodle topping for our delicious strawberry and apple. Now, I don't think cinnamon really goes with lemon or blueberry, so for that one, I have a sugar cookie mix. So we're gonna make sure that these get covered in sugar cookie, but you could do a chocolate chip, you could do a peanut butter, you could do oatmeal cookie mix. Honestly, the options are endless, and obviously the pie filling is endless as well. So you can do a fun combination for each one. All right, I think that's enough for those 2. And then we're gonna go ahead and spread that out. Don't worry, my hands are clean. I always wash my hands. And we're just gonna make sure that we get a nice layer of those cookie mixes on each loaf tin. And we are not gonna mix these. We are gonna grab our butter that we cut into little pads, and we are going to add our butter right on top of our cake mix, just like so. So easy, literally anyone can make this dessert, and it will be a crowd pleaser because everyone gets the pie flavor they want. So we're just making sure that we use about half a stick of butter per loaf tin and covering up that cookie mix. Okay, these are ready for the oven. My oven is set to 375 and this is gonna be in there for 45 minutes. Oh my, these look absolutely incredible, but of course we have to serve these with some ice cream. I have old-fashioned vanilla, and we're gonna add a hearty scoop onto each of our loaf tins. Easy cleanup for any party. All right, I'm gonna try the apple one because apple is one of my favorites. I did say lemon is my favorite, but that snickerdoodle just looks too good to resist. Oh, the crust is perfectly cooked. Look at all that steam. All right, make sure to blow on it. It's gonna be super hot.
Is it good?
There's no way I'm sharing this. This is mine.
Wait, hey, I want